Hello everyone. So this is a video explanation of how to use the Latex template. You have been provided with this Word document. Now this Word document has this specific templates. This is for KJSCE College of Engineering. It's all set. You have to set your course code over here. Then put your subject name. Whatever in the black you have to edit, and whatever is in the gray, don't edit that. Now let's say you put everything like uh, the course objectives or COs, that is course outcomes 1 2 3 4 5. Then here you start with chapter number 1. So here you have to give number of hours that you spend in teaching this chapter and which CO it is mapped to. Then individually you can write topics 1.1, 1.2. You can add new topic by just copying this line and delete if you want to remove anything from H line to next H line. Similarly, you can put 1 2 3 4 5 chapters. Later on, you can give recommended books, that is author, book name, publication, country, and let's say you have finished editing all this. You have to select all, so you can save it, and once you do that, you can select a Control A, copy this code. Now there is something called as Text Studio, which I have already installed. It's a free software. So you have to open the Text Studio like this. Now I have already pasted one syllabus over here. I just currently replace this and show it live. So this is the pasted syllabus, and then you have to click this button, build and view. So it is generated. So this is the syllabus I just now pasted, augmented and virtual reality, and you can edit here also, but in this it becomes difficult where to edit, so that's why I have provided the Word document. Now if you have longer syllabus and if your table doesn't fit, what you have to do is whatever you can fit, you have to copy this, and let's say I want to split at table chapter number 3. So here you can split your table. So to split the table, you have to put these two lines at the end. So Control C and paste it over here, Control V. And to begin a new table, you can just do this thing, Control C. If you want the entire title to be copied, you can do this, so that the new table will also have module number, unit number. Control C and Control V. So this is it. You can generate. If you want to go to the next page, you just paste new page here, Control C and paste it, Control V and rerun. So that's all from this video. Hope you can do it. If you have any doubts, you can mail me at ninad@somaya.edu.